What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. A lot of you asked what I eat on a daily basis and also what kind of diet I follow. And today is finally the day when I reveal it. So if you want to know more about what I think is the best diet and also see what I eat on a daily basis, then definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we jump into the video, just take a quick second guys and smash the like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. So first of all, as most of you already know, I'm on a vegan diet for now almost 4 years. And I must personally admit that it was one of my best decisions that I made so far. Back when I was 18 years old, I ate a lot of dairy and meat products, especially because I was really focused on building muscles. Besides that, I always thought that it was healthy because no one told me different. And basically at one time I felt very low in energy. I struggled a lot with oily and impure skin, and it just didn't feel right for me to eat so many animal products. So I made a lot of research on the internet, watched a lot of documentaries, and I was totally shocked about all those disadvantages when you eat a lot of meat and dairy products. And I also found out that it was mostly a causation of several diseases. After that, the first step that I took was going on a vegetarian diet for about 2 to 3 weeks. And in the meantime, I was doing even more research on that. And after those weeks, I wanted to try to go completely vegan. And I quickly realized that I felt so much better, more energized, and my skin was getting way better as well. Besides that, I was not even missing dairy products and meat products, because I completely love to experience this new way of eating and living, and it completely changed my life. From there on, I stayed on a vegan diet, and it was definitely the best decision that I made so far. But still, vegan doesn't always mean that it is healthy, because a lot of products are vegan but not healthy, like for example chips. Vegan is only healthy if you focus on a balanced diet that is mostly based on whole foods and not processed foods. Besides that, you should also supplement vitamin B12 because it is rarely found in plant-based products. So always keep that in mind. And no matter what diet you're choosing, it must be balanced and also based mostly on whole foods in order to be healthy and good for your body as well. But now let's talk about what I actually eat on a daily basis to feel energized and also to be as productive as possible. So after fasting for about 14 to 16 hours, I start my day with a glass of water with barley grass or lemon juice. It is in my opinion the perfect drink to start your day and to provide energy and also minerals and vitamins for your body. After that, I mostly eat fruits, like for example a banana or apples. And I currently mostly eat like 2 slices of whole grain toast with peanut butter. Of course, a peanut butter that is only based on peanuts, so no sugar or palm oil. Then at around 3 p.m. I drink a big green shake, mostly about 2.5 liters based on ingredients like parsley, bok choy, broccoli, spinach and other greens as well. And I always add like 1 or 2 spoons of pea protein, chia and hemp seeds. And yes, in the evening I mostly cook my dinner, also based on whole foods like potatoes, rice and vegetables as well. It always differs from day to day. And yes, between those meals I eat some snacks, like for example nuts, dark chocolate or other fruits. So basically my diet is mostly based on whole foods and rarely processed foods. And I rarely eat products that contain white sugar or chemical additives. And of course, what I always tell you, drink a lot of water. Mostly I drink about 4 to 5 liters per day, sometimes even more because I drink a lot of green tea as well. Besides that, it will also help you to build muscles faster and your skin will get better as well. So definitely implement it into your life and experience all of those incredible benefits. And yeah, that's basically it. This is what I mostly eat on a daily basis, and I can honestly say it improved my energy level so much. So if you think about changing your diet, you should definitely do it, but also do your research on it first and do everything step by step and test a lot of things out, so you can see what works best for you. Because everybody is different and there's no diet that is perfect for each and everyone. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also guys, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.